Hey friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's mini vlog from Iceland. So I'm still here in Vik, Iceland. Today we started the day by going to the Katla ice cave tour. That was very interesting. I highly recommend it to you guys. So we went using super jeep into the volcano. We parked there. It was a beautiful ride, a little bit bumpy, but we were able to see some dramatic landscapes, mountains around us. And then we started our little hike, and the view was just majestic. And yeah, we went to the ice cave, and then after that, we enjoyed a little bit of time there, taking some photos and just looking at the ice cave. And yeah, after that, I was able to capture some nice photos. I will share it to you right now. And yeah, I'm using both my cameras, my G100 and my GF9. The G100 with the super zoom lens and the GF9 with the Panasonic Leica 9mm f1.7 lens. I was able to, quickly capture some stuffs. And with the super zoom lens, I was really grateful because it was very convenient to use. It was very quick. It's hassle-free. Whenever I see something, I can just zoom in and zoom out. And for the wide angle stuff, I think it was nice for capturing dramatic wide angle scenery and also for selfie with my wife as well, as you can see with the sample photos right now. And yeah, when you're on a tour like that, you don't want to fumble around with camera settings, changing lenses, things like that. You want to be fast, you want to be responsive, and you want to be quick. So yeah, having gear that is optimized for that kind of situation, I think really works well. Anyway, when I was in Katla Ice Cave Tour, the main challenge are definitely weather. It was cold, it was windy, it was a little bit rainy. So yeah, you want to be able to prepare for that. And then next challenge is that it is a guided tour. You won't have that much time to take pictures, because when you stop for minutes, people will wait for you and you don't want to be bothersome to other people. So I recommend things like super zoom lens and also setting your cameras to aperture priority or shutter priority or any other settings that are quick and easy to use. You want to be able to take pictures quickly and conveniently, and you want to be able to respond to the different change of sceneries as quick as possible. However, during the Katla Ice Cave tour, I was able to capture some dramatic landscape that you won't be able to see anywhere else in Iceland, because we basically used super jeeps to cruise through the lava fields and get close into the volcano, and we were able to capture these dramatic mountains around Katla and also the Katla volcano itself. It's not possible if you're doing a self tour, like you're driving there. It's not possible. So yeah, if you guys have the chance, please try the Katla Ice Cave tour. Anyway, we're inside a school bus right here in Vik that's been turned into a cafe. It's called School Beans. Very interesting. Check it out. Very nice, very enjoyable, and I'm having a barley coffee right now. It's decaffeinated. Anyway, that's all for today's mini vlog. Hopefully this has been interesting, enjoyable, and fun. Please let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite picture. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider joining my Patreon or YouTube membership, where I will post exclusive contents from my Iceland trip. Some full-blown travel photography, a tutorial course that you won't be able to see anywhere else, and also some other shorter videos. I will post it there so you guys can enjoy it. And also purchase my travel photography ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography, where I share my travel photography experience and knowledge with you guys, and hopefully you'll be able to level up your travel photography, and also use my affiliate links down below to help grow my channel. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.